All right, stock ticker symbol BTCS, currently traded at 0800. Right now, you guys came down yesterday, a big drop off that 30-day simple moving average. You guys hit a low of 0661. We were able to put that low back in here all the way from December 2016 and November of 2016. You guys made some moves. It likes to make some big moves up and down. One thing to remember, coming down off this, it could recoil fairly quick. In my personal opinion, this selling just needs to stop. Every time it tries to move here, it just gets beaten back down. Right now, again, at the 080721 is going to be a must hold in my personal opinion. Looking at this chart, if it doesn't hold, it will drop down much lower. Watch for the bounce here and the buying pressure to pick back up. Selling just needs to slow down here, in my personal opinion. I'm going to throw some distance lines and support lines up here. You guys are going to have a little bit of resistance down there at the 1189 mark. And then at the 10-day. All right, I'll go ahead and hand this off to Joe when he's ready.
Yeah, I was just looking at some things. They got some Form 4s over here, and then as of like March 16th, and then their 8K on March 15th. All right, so on March 9th, 2017, BTCS Incorporated completed a securities exchange offer with its 3 convertible note holders. Pursuant to the note offer, the note holders agreed to exchange $868,897 of 5% original issue discount, 10% secure senior convertible note due September 16, 2016. Originally issued in December 2015, all accrued interest and liquidated damages owed. So it's $175,000 and 20% original issue discount. Junior convertible notes due December 5th, 2016, originally issued in June 2016, and all accrued interest and liquidated damages owed for $220,000. We have 8% convertible notes due June 6, 2017, originally issued in December 2016, and all accrued interest owed. Let's see, so $97,423,579 warrants for 845,631 shares of Series B convertible preferred stock. After given effect of the note, the company no longer has any senior notes, junior notes, or convertible notes outstanding. The note offer also provided the note holders with a 3-month right of first refusal to participate in the company's next financing, of a 1-year participation right with respect to the company's next fully underwritten offering. All right, so that right there is big, because then they don't have any of them notes out there. All right, so on March 9th, 2017, as a result of the note offer becoming effective, a securities exchange offer made to the company on January 19, 2015. Investors, the January offer was accepted by certain of those investors. Pursuant to the January offer, January investors agreed to exchange 12,052,344 shares of common stock owed pursuant to the favored nations provision of the January 19th. So there's a lot of different things on this. Go through it all. I could keep reading. I could hear you getting bored, Dave. Yeah, they got a lot of different notes taken care of. So let's just say, yeah. I'll go kind of scroll it down, I guess. March. All right, so I'll just read this one. The April investors also agreed to waive their right to the pro rata portion of the remaining $240,216 payment under the May 27, 2016 amendment to the April agreement. The release of the company from its $50,000 management salary restriction as it relates to the pro portion of the payment. Cancel their rights to the April agreement of favored nations. After giving effect to the April investors release the payment, the company is still obligated to pay those investors who participate in the April 2015 financing but did not accept the April offer of $187,330 prior to either Charles Allen its Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, and Chairman, and Michael Halderhan, its Chief Executive Officer and Corporate Secretary. The company's sole officers, directors, and employees receiving disbursements towards their annual salaries or bonuses of in excess of $50,000. As of March 1st, 2017, the company has a liability of $318,667 for accrued and unpaid cash compensation to their officers. On March 15th, the company filed a certificate of designation for the preferred with the Secretary of State of Nevada. The preferred certificate of designation provides authorization for the issuance of 1,108,861 shares of preferred, par value 001. Each holder of the preferred may, from time to time, convert any and all of such holders' shares of preferred into fully paid and non-accessible shares of common stock in the amount of equal to 200 shares of common stock for each share of the preferred surrendered. However, at no time may all of the portions of the shares of the preferred be converted if the amount of shares in the common stock pursuant. All right, so that's that. That's kind of getting at this thing right here. They recently had a reverse split too, so that's why I was kind of wanted to look more into it. But obviously, we'd be here all day if I kept on reading all into this. So if you have an opinion or you're looking for more of it, go over to that BTCS board and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. And if you want to continue reading this extensive 8K right here, go right over to the filings and you'll see it right there on the March 15th for the period ending in March 9th, 2017. And obviously there's another one for February 16th you can go at, but I mean, I'd go right for that March 15th one. That's that, David.
All right, 08 hold selling needs to slow down here in my opinion. Resistance at 1189, 1529, 1754. Support at 0721. Must hold. So we're going to watch how this one plays out here. It could bounce very well off this area. We'll watch just selling to make sure that slows down. In my opinion, BTCS, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you feel that this video helped you. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.